Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to add a WhatsApp button to your Shopify store. Nowadays there are a lot of people who have started expanding their business through WhatsApp, so they're not only relying on Messenger app that they have on their website, they also have been communicating with their customer or maybe sending invoices as well as receiving lots of orders through their WhatsApp. And you can actually create a WhatsApp button floating around on your website on Shopify so that you will be able to connect with your customer even better. I'm just going to be using a test store for today. So even if this is your first time creating your store on Shopify, you can still follow this tutorial just as fine. The first things first, you want to sign in to your Shopify, obviously, and then you want to go to the settings area on the bottom corner of your screen, and then you'll be able to find this apps and sales channel options. Now you're going to want to go to Shopify App Store. The button is located on the top right corner of your screen. And once you got directed here, you're going to want to search for a WhatsApp button. Alright, so once you search for WhatsApp button at Shopify App Store, you'll find a lot of selections that you can choose. We got WhatsApp button by ease, and then there's My Shop WhatsApp button. We also get these WhatsApp button. But the one that I'm going to recommend for you in this tutorial is this Dondi WhatsApp Marketing Plus Chat. We're just going to read a little bit about this one. So with this apps, you will be able to get a free plan in case this is your first time and you want to see how things work. You can see with the free plan, you will get WhatsApp floating widget, and you will also get unlimited WhatsApp conversation. There will be stylish design with no watermarks of Dondi. Then you can also custom the size as well as the location for your WhatsApp button. Then you can also get pre-filled messages. And they will offer 3 other plans. We got Pro with $6.99 per month. Then we got Advanced with $14.99 per month. And they have Power Automation with $39.99 per month. And each of this plan offers 7-day free trial. So if you would like to do the free trial, you can just do that. But for today, I'm just going to start with the free plan first. Once you know basically how this works and what you will get, you can go ahead and click on install. So here we're going to be redirected to Shopify again, and it's going to ask us to give permission to these data. So Dondi is going to be able to view personal data as well as view and edit stored data. You can click on this arrow to read even more. And if you're done with everything, you can go ahead and click on install. Alright, so this is how the dashboard of Dondi will look like. These are some actions that we can do with this plugins. We can create automation, you can create campaign, we can send manual messages, and this is going to be the one that we'll be focusing on today, which is adding WhatsApp button. So go ahead and click on that one. And here you're going to need to insert your phone number. You can start by choosing on the country on where you live. And then you can choose on the size of the symbol or of the WhatsApp button that will appear on your website. I'm going to go with medium. Then you can also choose the location of the WhatsApp widget on your page, whether you want it to be put it on the left, mid upper left, right, mid upper right, or upper right. Then you can also add pre-filled message, and you can leave it empty if you want, or you can pre-type the messages. I'm just going to leave it empty for now. Then with the pro features, you'll be able to settings on the availability. In case you have custom working hour for the chat admin, you can definitely edit that, but you will need to upgrade to Pro plan. Then you can also select the WhatsApp type. You can insert product URL, or you can also choose from the selections of premium button, etc. And once you're done with everything, you can go ahead and click on save. Once you're done settings your WhatsApp button, you're going to need to turn on the widget on your website editor. So here on your website editor, you'll be able to find the app embeds option. Then you want to make sure that you turn on this toggle so that your customer will be able to see these buttons right here. Then make sure to save any changes. And now we're going to try and take a look at our website. So I'm just going to go back to my Shopify admin, then I'm going to go to online store right here, and then I'm just going to go ahead and click view your store. And as you can see on the bottom right corner of my store, I got this button edit. So if I click on it, it's going to redirect me to continue to chat to my WhatsApp admin. And if you ever encounter any problem, don't worry, you can always go to your editor, and then you can turn it off first again by going to the app embeds right here. Turn off this widget, and as you can see, the button will be removed from your website. Don't forget to save over here, and then you can always edit whatever it is that you need to edit on Dondi WhatsApp chat and marketing settings. Now, if you ever need to go back to the Dondi app, but you kind of stuck with your dashboard like this and you don't really see the Dondi app anywhere, you can do two things. The first one is by searching on the search bar right here. You can just go ahead and type in Dondi and you will find this, and if you click on it, it's going to open that apps for you. Or you can also go here on the app section and it's going to show you all of the apps that is installed into your Shopify. And I currently only have one, so this is the only thing that shows up. But if in the future you insert some more apps, it's also going to show here. So all you have to do is click on the app you want to open and it's going to open it for you. It's going to bring you to your Dondi home, so you can see all of your status here. You can see the revenue that you got through your WhatsApp. You can see the amount of order you get, and then the amount of message delivered, sent, as well as read. And that's basically it. That is how you can add a WhatsApp button to your Shopify website. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.